Snoop Dogg is on. Snoop Dogg is on.
From the depths of the sea, back to the block, Snoop Doggy Dogg, Boogie at the dock. Went solo on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my cane. Follow me, but don't lose your grip. 9 trissays, they use it for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nothing back, and motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20 sack. It's like that, and as a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that this a must we drop gangsta.
What's my motherfucking name? It's the bow to the wild, creeping and crawling, Yiggy yes yo, and Snoop Doggy Dogg in the motherfucking house like every day. Dropping shit with my nigga Mr. Dr. Dre. Like I said, niggas can't fuck with this, and niggas can't fuck with that shit that I drop, cause you know it don't stop. Mr. 187 on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, now with a Glock, just some nuts in the cop. Robbing motherfuckers, then I kill them blood cops. And I step through the fog, and I creep through the small, cause I'm Snoop Doggy, 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 oh. Hands in the motherfucking air and wave the motherfuckers like you just don't care. Yeah, roll up the dank and pour the drink and watch it stank. Cause Doggy's on the gang. My bankrolls on swole. My shit's on hit legit. Now I'm on parole. Scroll with the dog pound right behind me and up in your bitch.